There, you see it kicking on the surface. There's another one on the left. Make a cast 11. More left, more left. And drop the next one. Yeah, strip. Strip, strip, strip. Set.
Yes.
Yes, boy. Okay, I'm gonna motor very fast, eh? If it goes in the coral, loosen your drag. Sorry. Yeah, keep stripping. I have to stay over him. Okay, tighten your drag. Tighten it more. Okay, just keep reeling. I'm going to stay on top of him. Yeah, tighten. Lots. Yeah, that's fine. I'm going to go forward and like that. Loosen your drag. Yeah, it's going to go on the coral. It's on the coral. Keep reeling. It's going around it like this. Keep reeling, reel. Don't lift the rod, just reel only. Okay, tighten your drag again. I think he's off. Hopefully. I'm going to go between him and the coral again. Going down here. Yes, he wants to go back. got to pull him now. Bad spot. Yeah, pull him, pull him, pull him. Keep pulling, you're almost there. Don't lift the rod all the way, just pull it. Just whine and pump a little bit. Yeah, keep pulling.
It's coming.
It's almost here. Okay, I'm gonna net him. Watch out here. Oh yes, boy!
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah.
Oh.